Embarking on the journey of launching a startup is both exciting and challenging. Success often depends on more than just a great idea. It requires careful planning and a structured approach. In this roadmap, we will guide you through each critical stage, from refining your concept to building a sustainable business. You'll discover practical strategies, common pitfalls to avoid, and insights from experienced entrepreneurs. Whether you're a first-time founder or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide is designed to provide clarity and direction. By following this structured path, you'll be better equipped to turn your vision into a thriving startup. The first phase in building a successful business begins with ideation and market research. This stage focuses on generating creative and practical business ideas that address real-world needs or problems. Once potential ideas are identified, it's essential to validate them by conducting comprehensive market research. This involves studying target audiences, understanding their preferences, and identifying gaps in the current market. Additionally, analyzing competitors help reveal opportunities for differentiation and improvement. By thoroughly researching both the market and the competition, entrepreneurs can refine their ideas and increase the likelihood of long-term success. In Phase 2, the focus shifts to business planning and strategy. This stage begins with crafting a comprehensive business plan that serves as a roadmap for your venture. Defining your value proposition is essential, as it clarifies what sets your business apart from competitors and why customers should choose you. Setting clear, measurable goals provides direction and benchmark for success. Strategic planning involves identifying target markets, outlining marketing approaches, and determining operational needs. By carefully developing these elements, you lay a strong foundation for sustainable growth and long-term success. In Phase 3, the focus shifts to transforming your idea into a tangible product. Developing a minimum viable product, or MVP, allows you to test core features with real users while conserving resources. Selecting the right technology stack is crucial as it impacts scalability, performance, and future development. At the same time, assembling a skilled and motivated team is essential for bringing your vision to life. Look for individuals whose expertise complements your own and who share your commitment to the project's goals. Together, these steps lay the groundwork for a successful product launch and long-term growth. In Phase 4, the focus shifts to securing the resources needed to bring the project to life. This begins with a thorough examination of available funding options such as venture capital, angel investors, or grants. Teams prepare compelling investment pitches, highlighting the unique value proposition and growth potential of their solution. Simultaneously, a go-to-market strategy is developed to identify target customers and outline the best channels to reach them. This strategy includes plans for early customer engagement, marketing tactics, and sales approaches. By the end of this phase, the groundwork is laid for both financial backing and successful market entry. With your product ready, the next crucial step is launching it to your target audience. A successful launch involves clear communication, effective marketing, and ensuring your support systems are in place. Once users begin interacting with your product, actively seek their feedback through surveys, interviews, or analytics. This feedback is invaluable, revealing what works well and highlighting areas that need improvement. Use these insights to refine your product, addressing issues and adding features that enhance user experience. Iteration is an ongoing process, helping your startup adapt to changing needs and stay competitive. By embracing feedback and continuously improving, you lay the foundation for long-term growth and success. In summary, launching a successful startup involves navigating 5 essential phases: ideation, validation, planning, execution, and growth. Each phase presents its own challenges and opportunities requiring careful attention and adaptability. Aspiring entrepreneurs should focus on thoroughly researching their ideas, testing assumptions with real customers, and building a solid business plan. Execution demands persistence and flexibility, while the growth phase calls for continuous learning and strategic scaling. Remember, setbacks are a natural part of the journey, and resilience is key. By staying committed to your vision and embracing feedback, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality.